Hopefully the settings on my camera are good. I can't breathe. I'm not sure if the settings are good, you guys, because it's been quite a minute since I filmed a video, and my camera was in my room, so I don't know if they're good or not, but we'll see. We'll see once I edit. Today we're just gonna be getting ready, chit-chatting. I'm gonna be updating you guys on my life, what has been going on. I know a lot of you guys have questions, and a lot of you guys also want the beauty videos to make a comeback. I cannot breathe. So that's what we are going to be doing today. So I already have moisturizer on my skin. I have the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. You guys know I love that. And then for primer, I'm going to be using Martini Prep by Laura Sanchez. I'm going to talk and then I'm going to like do my makeup at the same time with you guys, okay? So it's been a couple months since my last video, and pregnancy I don't know, pregnancy has been rough for me. I will say it has not been easy. I'm gonna let that primer sink into my skin. I've been obsessing over this primer, you guys. It literally makes my makeup last all day. It does have almost like a tacky base to it, so I feel like that's the reason why it helps my makeup last. I'm also curious to try new makeup. So I do want to pick up the, what is it? I do want to pick up the Milk Makeup Primer though and kind of see if that one works better or if it's just the same. I'm also having my juice. I don't know what video is going to go up, but I did film a what I eat in a day while pregnant video. And in that video, I do show you guys how I make my green juice. So stay tuned for that video. Now that we have primer on my skin, I feel like I need to get my makeup together. Oh, I have like so much new makeup I want to try out with you guys. It's crazy. I know it's been a minute, guys. I know it's been quite a minute, but I do have the Jeffree Star concealer and powder, so let me know if you guys want to see that in a get ready with me, or if you guys want a full dedicated review. Let me know. But today we're going to be trying out this new Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup Sunscreen with SPF 50. It's this one right here. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this go around YouTube. It is a new product. This does have a breathable and lightweight finish. It also has SPF 50, and it also says it leaves a natural looking finish for an all-day wear. It's basically a like full coverage BB cream with SPF 50 in it. A lot of you guys were asking me to dupe it with the IT Cosmetics CC cream. There is dupe videos already going around, so I'm not going to do that, but I did try this out last week. I tried it out for a full 8 hours without primer and without moisturizer, and I will say I got a tad bit oily, but I didn't get as oily as I did with the IT Cosmetics one. I also feel like this one has a bit more coverage than that one, so if you have more to cover like myself, then I feel like this one is just better in my opinion. But to be honest, the concept is basically the same. This one though, I believe has a chemical sunscreen in it, whereas the IT Cosmetics one has a bit more of, what can I say, like more like benefits for your skin, if that makes sense. So I know the sunscreen type is different in them, but I honestly don't mind. Do half of my face with the brush and then the other half with the beauty sponge, just so we can test out which one just looks better. The day that I applied it with a brush, so I'm just gonna go ahead and squirt some on there. Oh, the shade I feel like is a little bit off for me, but it's okay. I can make it work. We can make it work with concealer, because I am going to be applying concealer today, which I normally wouldn't apply concealer when wearing something like this. I wouldn't wear concealer, but for the purpose of the video and because I'm doing a get ready with me, then I am going to wear concealer. Mine in the shade 220 Natural Beige, but I am going to be linking all of the products down below so you guys can check them out. So it does have a sunscreen smell to it, but I think it's my pregnant nose, you guys. I literally can smell everything and everyone, and it's not even funny because sometimes I can smell way too much. But it does smell like sunscreen, but not like the IT Cosmetics one. I feel like the IT Cosmetics CC cream smells way stronger than this one. So despite the shade being a little bit too warm, I actually love this product. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I love this product. The day that I tried it out, I fell in love with it because, as you guys can see, not only does it give you a good amount of coverage, I wouldn't say it's full coverage, but it definitely has like a high medium coverage. You can obviously use a lighter hand and get light coverage. It does feel extremely lightweight on the skin as well, which is what I like. And I love the fact that this is a product that you can use every single day for more of like a cover up, if that makes sense. Like, but you can even just use this as sunscreen, like a tinted sunscreen kind of thing. So I really like this. Let's just say that I'm not into products like this, but for some reason this one, it doesn't give me the vibe of like a sunscreen lotiony, you know. Alright guys, so a huge plus to this product, really recommend you pick it up if you are the type of person that doesn't really wear foundation, but you want something to cover up and you also want that SPF in it. For concealer, you guys, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place concealer. I got mine in the shade 19. I have been trying this concealer out. I have had it for quite a while, and let's just say that it's not the worst concealer I've tried, but it's also not the best. I do find that even though it looks super full coverage, it's not that full coverage. It's more of like a medium coverage concealer, and it is also very creamy, so that's what I really like about it. If you guys follow me, if you guys don't follow me on social media, then you guys might not know, but I did reveal the gender of my baby on Instagram, and I also did it on Snapchat. I have a little video on Instagram where I share with you guys Jesus's reaction. We decided not to do an actual gender reveal because we wanted to keep it a little bit more intimate and just my close family that lives here in Vegas, which is just very small. Like, we're tiny here, but we decided to keep it super small. We just basically had dinner and that was it, nothing too intense. This concealer is a very natural finish. It almost gives me that like glow from within, and I know it's the concealer because the foundation has a natural finish, but every time I use this concealer I find that it almost looks like dewy. So I do have to set this in place, and to set everything I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent powder. This is my go-to powder, it's my favorite. I am now 4 months, I'm going on 5 months pregnant, and I feel like I'm almost halfway through my pregnancy, and I feel like time is flying by. Right now I feel like I'm one of those people that'll have nausea throughout the whole pregnancy, because I still get nauseous. It's not too intense as it was during my first trimester. I just feel like gum helps my nausea right now. So right now with my pregnancy, I feel like I'm struggling with being super tired. Like, I sleepwalk, you guys. Like, I literally am tired 24/7. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and then I also went ahead and did this eye off camera. We're not doing anything crazy with the eyes because I don't want to focus it. I don't want this to be like an actual tutorial. I want this more to be like a chit chat, get ready with, you know? My skin, I'm going to go ahead and use the Morphe Glamour bronze in the shade Icon. As I was saying, right now I'm just very tired, and that's basically it. I'm seeing a lot of changes in my body as well, which I'm pretty sure it's normal. But so far so good, you guys. All of my tests came back really good from the doctor, so I know that the baby is healthy, and so am I. Like I said, I do try to eat a little bit healthier because I'm not taking prenatals, and I know before you guys say anything, my doctor said it's okay. I mean, it's not okay, but I do try to substitute the prenatal vitamins with natural vitamins, I guess you can say, like foods that contain vitamins naturally. That's so wrong, but yeah, I've tried so many brands of prenatal vitamins and they all make me throw up, so yeah, that's a no-no for me. So right now I am actually not taking any, but that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a contour with the matte bronzer by NYX, and this one is in the shade of medium. As far as the names, like baby names, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I did a poll where I asked you guys to send me names, and a lot of the names that you guys sent me I liked, but they were just not for me, you know what I mean? Like they were not for my kid. So if you guys do not follow me on there, I am having a baby boy. I know, team boy, which is crazy because a lot of you guys were team girl. I did like a poll thingy and team girl was like 95%, and then there was like a 5% team boy, which was a very weak. There was not a lot of like team boys on the polls that I did. The majority of you guys were team girl, but I am having a boy. So because you guys were hyping me up so much, saying that, oh my god, it's a girl, it's a girl, it's a girl, I feel like I wrapped my head around the idea that it was gonna be a girl. And next thing you know, you guys, you know, me and Jesus had the girl name picked already, which was actually Jesus picked it out. Well, Jesus picked out the middle name, we both picked out the first name. I have a really good friend, she used to be my coworker, and her daughter's name is Aria, like the casino. Before I got pregnant, I would always tell her like, I want to name my daughter Aria. If I have a daughter, I want to name her Aria. And Aria is just a beautiful name, it just stuck to me. And so this one day, me and Jesus were driving and we were talking about names, and I told him about Aria, and then I also told him like, I don't want to copy, you know, Natalie, because I don't know, you know, like I know her and I know her daughter, and it's just gonna be weird if I have a daughter and I name her Aria too. So I didn't want to copy her fully, but did wanted that name Aria. And so Jesus also really liked Aria, and Jesus came up with the idea to put a T at the end. So the baby girl's name, I'm gonna go in with blush real quick. This is the Alamar Cosmetics blush trio in medium tan. I'm gonna go ahead and mix Isla and Seclusion. But anyways guys, as I was saying, we decided to put a T at the end of Aria, and it was gonna be Ariat Isabella. Jesus had picked Isabella. I did not like Isabella at all, but he picked it, and we came up with a thing where if I had a boy, I was gonna pick the name, and then if we had a girl, he was gonna pick the girl's name. So basically that's where we were at. So the baby girl's name was gonna be Ariat Isabella. If I do have a daughter in the future, I don't know if I'm still gonna name her that, but I really like that name, Ariat. I just feel like it's just different and unique and kind of just sounds kind of weird, you know, like Ariat, I don't know. But anyways, one of the reasons why I really liked Aria is because of Pretty Little Liars. Aria and Ezra were my favorite couple. So if you guys saw Pretty Little Liars, then you guys know what I'm talking about. But Aria and Ezra were like my favorite, and I always told Jesus like, if I have a boy, I'm gonna name him Ezra, and if I have a girl, I'm gonna name her Aria. So that was kind of like the vibe for the girl's name. And then for the boy's name, I really liked Ezra. I just went into the Hanging in Hawaii palette, and I'm going to take Ohana. I haven't really used the pink shadows in this palette, so that's why I am playing around with them. Now I'm going to move on to Aloha. You know what? No, not Aloha. Hibiscus. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend these two colors together. So my diaper bag got here. I ordered this one off of Amazon. I really liked it. It had really good reviews, and it's pretty big, and not big, but like it It has a lot of compartments, so I feel like it's gonna be perfect. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm honestly just playing around, but I don't want this to be an actual tutorial. I just wanted to get ready with you guys. So I'm actually going to take this shade here mixed in with this one. The shimmery shadows on this palette are on another level, and with my finger I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm between Liam or Ezra. I'm leaning more towards Liam just because I feel like it's easier for my family to pronounce, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys like better, Liam or Ezra. Let me know if you guys want to see more mommy content. That way I'll share like what's gonna be inside my hospital bag, what's gonna be inside his diaper bag. I can share hauls with you guys and stuff like that. I need advice though. If you're a mom out there, I need to know like what are your go-to newborn items, because I know sometimes us as first-time moms, we tend to like go ham on things, and at the end of the day we don't really use them. So let me know what's like things that I actually need. You guys can also DM me on Instagram. I always reply to you guys on Instagram or Snapchat. While my lashes dry, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some LA Girl eyeliner in this shade. What is this? Champagne, I believe. It's like the cream kind of color. Anyways, let me show you guys my diaper bag that I bought. It's called Mom Products Maternal and Infant. Wait, what is the name of this? It's called Land Mommy and Bag, and then it says Chic Mom, give your best care. I love it because of all the compartments. Once I have it like filled in, then you guys are going to be able to see. But I love it because one, it's black, and then two, it's also a backpack, so Jesus can easily carry it. Okay guys, so I'm actually not going to do my hair because I am about to like rinse it off with vinegar. I did want to straighten it, but I have way too much dandruff and I just took a shower. And I want to say it's the pregnancy, because before I had dandruff, but once I washed my hair, like it was gone. And right now, nothing can help it. It literally looks like I have a lice or something. So yeah, unacceptable. Guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you want to see more chatty get ready with me videos, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below what other videos you guys want to see from me. Is there any new makeup that you guys want me to review? Let me know what you guys want me to do with the Jeffree Star concealer and powder. Do you guys want to see it in like a get ready with me, or do you guys want a dedicated review? Don't forget to follow me on social media, Snapchat and Instagram, because I'm over there when you guys do not see me here. When I go MIA here, I'm most likely over there. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys very soon in my next one. Bye guys.